Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Seshananda Sodangi. Welcome to my channel, The English Hub makes English easy and lucid. I hope you would be in a good condition, and it is very high time for all of us, so we should be very careful. Don't go outside if there is no need. Use mask whenever you are going outside and keep social distancing. These are the three golden rules which we have to follow if we want to beat the coronavirus. As you know, I have completed my noun series, which is very important parts of speech. From today onwards, I am going to start another series that is called Pronoun Series. So today's topic of discussion is pronouns. My English channel will deal with all those parts of speech first of all. As I have told you that we have 8 parts of speech. So I will try to touch or deal each and every parts of speech. As I have completed the noun series, now I am going to start the pronoun series. So today I am going to discuss about pronouns. In today's video, I am going to tell you what is pronoun, what are the different types of pronoun, and what are the uses of pronoun. After that, I will slowly and steadily deal with different types of pronoun. So what is pronoun? When I discuss pronoun, it is the combination of two words. Those are pro plus noun. Pro plus noun, that is for plus noun. It means those words which we use for noun are called pronouns. This is the definition. Pronoun, it is a pronoun. It is a combination of two words. Pro means for noun. So another definition I can write, those words which we use to replace a noun are called pronouns. Because whenever we write any sentence, we are going to use nouns definitely, and the same noun cannot be used repeatedly. If we will use the same noun repeatedly, then the writing quality will not improve. That is why to improve writing quality, the same noun cannot be repeated again and again. For those nouns, we use some other words, and those other words are called pronouns. For example, Ram is a boy. Ram is our monitor. Ram's father is a doctor. Ram has a dog. So now I have repeated the same noun Ram, Ram, Ram and Ram in 4 sentences. I can replace this Ram, and this third one with some other words. For example, for this sentence I can write, he is our monitor, his father is a doctor, he has a dog. Now in place of Ram I have used he, his, and he again. So these three words are called pronouns. Okay, so it means that those words which we use to replace noun, to stop repeating noun again and again, those words are called pronouns. So what are the different types of pronoun? There are 8 types of pronoun. 8 types of pronoun. What are those? First one is personal pronoun. Very important. Second one is reflexive pronoun. Third one is emphatic pronoun. Fourth one is distributive pronoun. Fifth one is demonstrative pronouns. Sixth one is indefinite pronouns. Seventh one is relative pronoun, very important. Eighth one is interrogative pronouns. So these are the 8 types of pronoun: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic or we can say emphasizing pronoun, distributive pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Out of these 8 pronouns, personal pronoun and relative pronouns, these 2 types are very important. So slowly and steadily I will deal each and every type of pronoun in my pronoun series. So for today, this much only. It's a request that do watch my video from the starting to the end. Then only you can get the complete knowledge. Because my videos are smaller, my videos are not lengthy that you will feel bored. These are the smaller things. Today in my video I have just gave you the basics of pronoun. What is pronoun and what are the different types of pronoun. That was only. In my next videos I am going to deal each and every pronoun in my pronoun series. Do subscribe my channel. Do like and share and comment. And if you think that this type of English is useful to you, then give comments. Thank you.